Understanding decimal equivalents, a simple guide. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the world of mathematics to explain an important concept: decimal equivalents. Whether you're studying math in English or just curious about how numbers work, understanding decimal equivalents is key. Let's make it simple and clear. Decimal equivalents represent the same value as fractions, but in decimal form. It's a way of expressing fractions in a simpler, more universal format. For example, the decimal equivalent of 1/2 is 0.5. This section will explain how every fraction can be converted into a decimal, and vice versa, making math easier and more accessible. Understanding decimal equivalents is crucial not only in mathematics but in real life too. They are used in measurements, finance, and everyday calculations. For example, knowing that 1 divided by 4 equals 0.25 can help you understand recipes, budgets, and measurements more intuitively. This part of the video will showcase practical examples where decimal equivalents play a vital role. Finding a decimal equivalent involves division. The numerator, the top number of the fraction, is divided by the denominator, the bottom number. This process converts the fraction into a decimal. For instance, to find the decimal equivalent of 3/4, you divide 3 by 4, which equals 0.75. We'll go through several examples together to practice this technique. Some decimal equivalents are more common than others and worth memorizing. For example, 1/2 is 0.5, 1/4 is 0.25, and 3/4 is 0.75. We'll share tips and tricks to remember these and make quick calculations easier in your daily life. We hope this video has shed light on decimal equivalents and made them a bit less daunting. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try converting fractions to decimals and vice versa in your study time. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson. Keep learning, and stay curious. This structure should provide a clear and engaging way to explain decimal equivalents to English language learners, making the topic accessible and useful for their studies and daily life.